reminded of the 4 cardinal rules of gun safety.
First, treat every firearm as if it is loaded. Second, never point the gun at anything you do not intend to shoot. Third, keep your finger off the trigger until you are ready to fire. And last, be sure of your target and what is beyond it.
Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Sa video na ito, ipapakita ko kung paano linisin at i-maintenance ang isang M16A2 rifle. At bago yon, alamin muna natin ang safety. Kung mapapansin natin, wala na siyang magazine. So check the chamber. Clear po siya. Then rack 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then engage safety. Since clear na ang ating rifle, next step is to disassemble. Since na-disassemble na natin ang bolt carrier sa upper receiver, pwede na natin siyang punasan ng basahan. Since natapos na natin gawin ang basic maintenance ng M16A2 rifle, dumako naman tayo sa pag-assemble. Sa kabuuan, mahalagang malaman natin ang basic maintenance at tamang pag-assemble and disassemble ng rifle. Maraming salamat sa panonood.